Over this span of time right here, they've done about a million clicks. So something must have been going right here. In this episode of The Edge, we are going to be breaking down an affiliate campaign that I stumbled upon in the wild. Hey guys, this is Jason with adskills.com. And let's jump into the campaign. This one is from expertsinmoney.co. I was just browsing around the web, thought their ad looked intriguing, clicked on it, and here's the lander. U.S. homeowners are finding huge savings on new home insurance system. All right, so the first thing I notice here is that this image looks very organic. You know, it doesn't look like a stock photo. They've done some editing here. You see the homeowner's policy, the hand, the woman here, and this looks like a real photo. It doesn't look stock. So I think that helps this advertorial and probably helps the ad not look too generic. All right, and the very next line below the image says, do not pay your next home insurance bill until you read this. That's kind of intriguing. So they're talking about a new system that most homeowners don't know about. All right, so they're giving this criteria. I think this is pretty easy for most people to meet. You know, if they're currently insured, means they probably own a house. They're insuring it. You're born before 1997. Of course, I think this is targeting an older demographic, so that's a pretty low bar to jump over there. Owned your home for more than 90 days. I would say that would be most people, and you live in a qualified zip code. That's kind of a bit of a question mark there. So next we get into the body copy, and you see that they've got a couple clickable links here that would take you on over to the offer if you decided to click there. But the next big thing I notice is this big yellow call out that says you're never locked into your current policy. If you've already paid your bill, you can very easily cancel it and be refunded your balance. And that's just telling them that, hey, you can take this offer because whatever you're currently paying your insurance, you are able to change it, right? So that's a huge call out they've done. And right here, they've made a clickable grid to choose your age. Of course, any of this is clickable. You could be clicking here. I think none of it really matters. Where you click, you're going to be led to the next page. So I think this is a really good call to action here. Find out how much you could save. It's big, bold, and red. So we'll go ahead and click and find out what the offer is. So this brings you on over to the offer where you're going to enter your zip code and likely become a lead. So this is an affiliate lead gen promotion. The next thing I want to do is jump into SimilarWeb and see how much traffic this affiliate has been getting on their domain. Wow, looks like over this span of time right here, August through October, they've done about 1.5 million clicks. So something must have been going right here because they sent a substantial amount of clicks. 99.9% of the traffic coming from the United States. Of course, this is probably a US only offer. I'm sure very little international traffic slipping in there. We see that they're getting a little bit of organic traffic. Of course, that's pretty significant over so many clicks, even, you know, a percent or two, but the majority of their traffic is coming from display ads, which SimilarWeb is going to interpret native ads as display ads. They are really doing nothing on search, so I think they're just doing all native ads. In SimilarWeb, you can get a sense of where their traffic is coming from. MediaGo, AOL, kind of a long forgotten website, but hey, there's still a lot of traffic to be had there. Sporting news, I'm sure lots of good placements there for native ads. So this is kind of an interesting feature here in SimilarWeb, this outgoing ads tab. So you can see where experts in money are sending a lot of their traffic. They're sending something to Progressive. I'm sure all of these are affiliate offers or something they're getting paid on, click arbitrage or most likely affiliate offers. I know this Leaf Filter USA is a big affiliate offer, so they've been sending traffic there. Okay, under social, this really stood out to me. Okay, they're getting Facebook traffic here, but it looks like they're also doing a lot with Facebook Messenger, which I don't see that a lot when I look in on campaigns in SimilarWeb, so maybe they're doing some type of Facebook Messenger campaign. So when we scroll down to the bottom here, we really get to the bulk of their advertising, and it's just all kinds of native advertising. The bulk of it, almost 50%, is Taboola. Taboola can send lots of traffic. You've got Yahoo here coming in at 33%, so they're running traffic through Yahoo. Also a nice chunk of traffic on Outbrain. It looks like they've done a little bit of testing on programmatic because I see the trade desk here, but not very much traffic. And the top publishers, they're going for all the big dogs here of native. They're going for Yahoo, AOL, again, long forgotten website, but like I said, just look up their traffic numbers. They're still pretty significant. MSN, which is a traffic monster, and Fox News here is a huge destination for native. I've known of native campaigns that have spent, 8 figures a month, and a lot of the traffic was coming from sites like Fox News, CNN, and a few of your top news websites. So if you get something working and you get it on Fox News, if your offer is converting and it's working on Fox News, you can get quite a bit of traffic there. Again, I just verified that they're not doing anything with search, but it kind of makes sense, right? This is a native affiliate focused campaign where the mentality of the traffic is that this is something newsworthy. They click, they read the article, and then they're going to go on over to the offer, right? So search is just not something that they've added in the mix. And let's take a look at AdBeat to take a look at a few of their ads and maybe other landers. All right, so for the last several months here on into November, we see that they've been very active on Yahoo Gemini. It's actually their top channel right now, so maybe that's what's working on this campaign, right? And we actually see that they are running other types of offers. So Experts in Money is a website that an affiliate's using, but they're not just running one offer. It looks like they're trying other offers. Let's take a look and see what this one actually is. Oh, that one gives me an error, but I do believe they are running and testing multiple types of offers. This is another interesting ad. Oregon residents gets huge home insurance something. This is probably done through dynamic insertion. So if you live in California, it's going to say California. If you live in Kentucky, it's going to insert Kentucky. So that makes the ad a little more intriguing. Let's just take a look there and see what this is. Yep, that goes to the same lander there. Take a look at another ad. All right, so let's just break down what's going on in this ad. This looks like some type of government official or something like that. They've done the dynamic state name insertion there. So if you're sitting in Georgia, this is going to say Georgia. Georgia residents get huge home insurance reduction. It kind of looks like some law or bill or something has passed, right? So this image looks pretty intriguing. It's calling out your state. So, this gives it the vibe that it's something newsworthy. And if you click through, yep, it's going to be this article. Just curious what this one is. This one's different. One simple trick to cut your electric bill by 90%. Try it tonight. Okay. That's kind of interesting. They ran this one way back in May. Let's take a look there. Oh, yeah. So it looks like that's just not currently active, and all the focus is on this advertorial right here. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe this gives you some ideas for your next big campaign that you're going to crush it with on native ads. This is Jason signing off, and I'll see you in the next episode of The Edge.